Oh my fucking god, you want me to sign in? That's like asking me to log off from my own brain. What, did I forget my password or something? Alright, let's get this portfolio party started. So, we got Marvell Technology, Nasdaq, MRVL, and its AI-specific ASICs, which are basically custom chips that Nvidia can't even touch with their precious GPUs. Like, imagine if a Ferrari tried to compete with a Vespa in the world of speed. It's just not gonna happen, folks. The advantage of ASICs is that they're programmed to perform a specific task, so they consume less power and get the job done more efficiently. It's like having a super efficient maid who only cleans your house while you're sleeping. Ain't nobody got time for that. Now, Marvell stock has been on fire since its last report, thanks to the booming demand for custom AI chips. The market's all abuzz about it, but honestly, Nvidia's valuation is like trying to put a price tag on a unicorn. It just don't work. And let's not forget the margin pressure created by their new AI chip production ramp up. That's like watching a clown car fill up with elephants while running out of space for water. But seriously, folks, this is where things get interesting. The market for AI-specific ASICs is expected to grow at a whopping 32% annually through 2030. That's like predicting the exact date your grandma will finally learn how to use TikTok. It's gonna happen when pigs fly. So, investors can make a killing by investing in Marvell Technology and its custom chip empire. One thing I love about this topic is that it highlights just how absurdly complex the world of AI has become. It's like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded while being attacked by a swarm of bees. It's chaos, baby. But hey, if we can make sense of it all, we might just find ourselves swimming in a sea of gold coins and champagne corks. In conclusion, this article is like the best damn podcast I've ever listened to, informative, entertaining, and now, I'm a little more informed about AI-specific ASICs. So, go ahead, sign in, or whatever, but if you want my advice, invest in Marvell Technology while you can still get out of the starting gate.